Supporters including Jeremy Corbyn joined a rally in support of Hackney North and Stoke Newington MP Ms Abbott last night. Diane Abbott has urged Labour leader Sir Keir Starmer to do the right thing and readmit her into the Parliamentary Labour Party, 11 months after her suspension for comments which interpreted by many as anti-Semitic. And the Hackney North and Stoke Newington MP has also denied a claim that she was offered the Labour whip back but refused because she would have had to go on anti-Semitism training. It comes as senior Labour figures appear split on whether to welcome the long-serving MP back into the party fold, and in a month when controversial remarks by Conservative Party Frank Hester about Ms Abbott surfaced, putting pressure on Prime Minister Rishi Sunak. While Sir Keir said Ms Abbott should receive support in relation to the abuse she receives, he has so far resisted calls to give her the whip back, meaning she is currently sitting as an independent. Speaking on Thursday, the Labour leader insisted her suspension from the PLP was an entirely different issue and subject to an independent process that was separate from him. But his deputy Angela Rayner has been among those to say she would like Ms Abbott to be allowed back into the party. Ms Abbott, Britain's first black female MP, expressed confidence that she would contest the general election later this year as the Labour candidate for Hackney North and Stoke Newington. Speaking at a rally in support of her on Friday night attended by among others former Labour leader Jeremy Corbyn, Ms Abbott told Channel 4 News, "I have temporarily lost the whip. But I'm completely confident that Keir Starmer will restore it." She said the supporters that had gathered in Hackney had given her a lot of strength after what has been a very difficult week. "I'm sure that Keir Starmer will look at the strength of feeling and he will do the right thing." She said no Conservative has apologised after the emergence of Mr Hester's 2019 comments about her. The Guardian has reported that he said she made him want to hate all black women and should be shot. Prime Minister Rishi Sunak has described the attributed remarks as racist while refusing to return the £10 million Mr Hester has donated to the Tory party. Ms Abbott said, "They keep saying that the Hester guy, he's apologised. He's not apologised. He's apologised for being rude, whereas in fact he was racist, and he's not apologised for that. In fact, he was inciting violence. He's not apologised for that." Mr Sunak has faced mounting calls to pay back Mr Hester's donations, including from within his own ranks, but has argued that the healthcare tech entrepreneur's apology should be accepted. An investigation has been ongoing into Ms Abbott since her suspension last April. It came after she wrote a letter to The Observer suggesting Jewish, Irish and Traveller people were not subject to racism all their lives. After a backlash, she apologised for any anguish caused and withdrew her comments. Ms Abbott on Friday rejected key facts in a report by The Independent, which said her own refusal to compromise was in part to blame.